We'll guide you through how you can remove fog in Minecraft. If you do find this useful, then please consider subscribing and also leaving a like. Now it's important to note that you can't go and sort of remove or turn off fog with the default Minecraft settings. We're going to go and need to get something called OptiFine. It's super easy to install. I'll guide you through in just a moment, and it's essentially an optimization tool for Minecraft, and it allows you to go and customize a lot more of the graphic settings than you would with just normal Minecraft. So I'll show you how to get that now. Close Minecraft. After closing Minecraft, you'll need to go and open up a browser and go to a search engine. Then all you need to do is type in OptiFine just like this, and then go to optifine.net. Then at the top, go and click on downloads. And then what you can do is choose the version you want. You can press on show all versions if you like, and then choose the version you want. So I'm just going to get the latest one, which is just at the top there. And then you'll be on an ad wall like this. So just be aware this is an ad here, and there's a skip button after 5 seconds in the top right, which I can then go and click, and then it will be taken to the download page. Then here you can go and tap on download like this, and the download will begin. After it's finished downloading, you can then go and close off your browser just like that. Then what you need to do is go and find the OptiFine installer, which you just downloaded. So mine is just here, and then all you need to do is go and double click on it. Now for some people, when they go and double click on it, nothing will open, or you may go and see files, and this is likely because you don't have Java installed. So what you'll need to do is go back to a web browser, and then just go to java.com, tap on download Java, download the application and install it. And then what you can do is come back to OptiFine, right click on it, and then click on open with, and then press on Java TM Platform SE binary. You may need to click on choose another app and find it in this list here. And then you can go and click on always just here, and it should always open up with Java then. If things still aren't working, you may need to run something called a jar fix, and we've got a guide on that in the description of this video. So go and check that video out there. But now what you want to do is just go and install OptiFine. So tap on install like this, and it may seem like nothing's happening, but just wait, because things are actually happening and it's now been installed. So go and open up the Minecraft launcher. On the Minecraft launcher, go to the left of the play button and make sure OptiFine is selected, and then go and click on play. And now here we are in Minecraft with OptiFine. So then all you need to do is go and pause the game by pressing escape, click on options, and then click on video settings. As you can see in the bottom left, it also says OptiFine. And then what you can do is go and click on details. And we've got two options here. Either you can go and completely turn off fog by clicking on fancy, and then it'll be off. You've got off or fancy. And you can also go and choose where the fog starts. If you found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.